ಯುಗಾದಿ ಕಳೆದರೂ ಯುಗಾದಿ ಮರಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಹೊಸ ವರುಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಸ ಹರುಷವ ಹೊಸತು ತರುತ್ತಿದೆ. Today, Karnataka is celebrating Ugadi, the Kannada New Year, a festival that marks new beginnings, hope, prosperity and positivity. Ugadi is not just the start of the new year in the traditional Kannada calendar known as Shaka Samvat 1948 and in the lunisolar Hindu calendar, but also the beginning of a fresh chapter in life. The word Ugadi comes from the Sanskrit words Yuga meaning era and Adi meaning beginning. Together, it means the beginning of the new age. This festival is deeply connected to culture, tradition, spirituality and even agriculture, as it also welcomes a new seasonal cycle and hopes for a fruitful year ahead. Across Karnataka, families celebrate this auspicious day with great joy and devotion. Homes are cleaned and beautifully decorated with rangoli, flowers and fresh mango leaf toranas. People wake up early, take a ritual oil bath, wear new clothes, visit temples and seek blessings for a happy and a successful year ahead. One of the most special traditions of Ugadi is the preparation of Ugadi Pachadi. This unique dish has 6 different tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent and astringent. These 6 flavors beautifully remind us that life is a mixture of joy, sorrow, success, challenges, anger and surprises. In simple words, Ugadi teaches us to welcome every experience in life with balance and strength. This festival is not only about rituals and food, but also about togetherness. Families come together, share festive meals, visit relatives, exchange wishes, and celebrate the spirit of a fresh start. Ugadi is celebrated as a festival of renewal and positivity. It tells us that every new year brings another chance to dream, to grow, and to begin again. Just like the pachadi mixes different flavors, life too is a beautiful combination of many emotions. That is the true message of Ugadi. To accept life in all its forms and move forward with faith and happiness. To farmers and rural communities, this festival also carries special meaning as it is linked to nature, harvest, hopes and the arrival of a new agricultural cycle. So, Ugadi is not just a festival but a celebration of life, nature, tradition and hope. So, on this beautiful occasion of Ugadi, let us welcome the new year with happiness in our hearts, positivity in our minds and prayers for peace and prosperity. Once again, wishing everyone a very happy Ugadi. May this new year bring joy, success, good health and endless blessings to all.